Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to apply for monetization. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. So guys, on July 14, I received an email from YouTube saying that I can apply for monetization. So I am going to open the Google Chrome app and I am going to type in youtube.com. Now I am going to select the three dots and select request desktop site. Now I am going to click on my profile icon and select YouTube Studio. Now that I am in the YouTube Studio, I am going to select the monetization icon. For you to be able to complete this process, you need a total of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours. Now I am going to click on apply. In the monetization tab, there are 3 steps to be completed. Now I am going to click on step number 1. And step number 1 is basically accepting the terms for the YouTube partner program. I have read through all of these terms and I am going to click on accept. Now step number 1 is done. I am going to move on to step number 2, which is to sign up for a Google AdSense account, and I'm going to click on start. Now it will ask you, do you have an existing AdSense account? And I'm going to select no, I don't have an existing account, and I'm going to click on continue. If you're not sure, you can also click on I don't know. After selecting continued, I am going to select the email that is associated with my performance suggestion, or if you don't want that, you can always select no, don't send me customized help and performance suggestion. Now I am going to select my country or territory. So I'm from Jamaica, so I'm going to search for Jamaica and click on it. Now it's time for me to review and accept the terms and conditions of Google AdSense. So I have read through all of this information and I am going to select the option yes, I have read and accept the agreement. Then I am going to click on create account. Now I am going to click on get started, and this is where I am going to input all my personal information such as my name, the account type, which is individual, and I'm going to put in my address, my phone number. On submit, a dialog box will pop up to redirect me to YouTube Studio. So I'm going to select redirect. Now I'm going to click continue to studio. My Google AdSense account is in progress, and this normally takes up to several days. So step 3 is an automatic process. So YouTube will review your channel to make sure it complies with the YouTube monetization policies, and they will make a decision by sending you an email normally within a month. On July 15, I received an email saying, "Congratulations, you have been accepted to join the YouTube Partner Program," and I can turn on monetization on my YouTube videos. So that is basically it on how to apply for YouTube monetization. If you guys find this video helpful, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay safe.